Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In today's video, I'll walk you through some key tips to help you transform a beginner look into a pro finish. Have you ever thought, I tried so hard, but something still feels off? Or, I wanted that salon quality vibe, but it ended up looking kind of meh? We've all been there. The truth is, there are a few common mistakes that can make your nails look less polished. But don't worry, once you understand the causes, it's easy to level up. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take your DIY nails to the next level. Okay, let's get started. First, let's take a look at what causes that beginner look. It all starts with prep. If your nail surface isn't properly cleaned or buffed, the base gel won't go on smoothly. It creates bumps, and that's an instant beginner vibe. One of the biggest culprits? Leftover loose cuticle near the edges. Even if you think you applied gel evenly, this thin skin can cause patchy application or lifting. And don't forget to gently buff the entire nail surface, especially the edges. A rough surface leads to uneven gel and a bumpy finish. A common mistake among beginners is applying too much base gel at once. When you layer on color and top gel afterward, the result is bulky, heavy-looking nails. It also makes the surface uneven, affecting how your color gel sits on top. Next, color choice. If the shade doesn't match your skin tone, the entire nail can feel out of place. For example, if you have warm undertones and use a cool-toned pink, your hands might end up looking dull. Plus, if your base layer is bumpy, color gel tends to pull in the dents and slide off the raised areas, creating uneven color patches. Even with top gel, too much product will cause it to flood the sides and look bulky. Too little, and you'll end up with visible brush strokes and lackluster shine. Finding the right balance is key to that glossy, smooth pro finish. Now, let me show you some specific techniques to transform a beginner-looking nail into a polished professional finish. Start by pushing back the cuticles with a ceramic pusher. There's often thin dead skin clinging to the nail surface. Removing this helps gel adhere better and avoid streaks. Next, lightly buff the surface using a sponge file. You don't want it shiny, just slightly matte. This texture gives the gel something to grip onto. Pay special attention to the edges. They tend to be rougher and more prone to unevenness. If this area is nice and smooth, it can help prevent streaky or uneven application like this. If you're new to gel nails, check your product amount. It's probably too much. Here's a general idea of how much you should use. Take a smaller amount and spread it out thinly. To apply neatly around the edges, try using a liner brush. It's long and thin, which helps you create clean, smooth lines. Once applied, flip your hand upside down. This lets gravity help smooth the surface and gather gel toward the center. This flip trick is key for creating that smooth, plump base. To create a chic, polished look, start by choosing colors that suit your skin tone. Try a quick online personal color analysis. It's super helpful. For example, I have warm-toned skin, so muted orange, beige, or brown shades work best. Pastel pink or mint green. They tend to clash with my skin. If you want a quick glow up, go for sheer colors. The transparency hides small mistakes and blends better. Even if the color isn't a perfect match, it still gives your nails a soft, elegant vibe. After applying top gel, flip your hand upside down again to smooth out the surface. This is especially helpful when you want that juicy, glossy gel shine. Also, resist the urge to apply too thickly. Instead, use a moderate amount and spread it evenly for a clean, pro-quality finish. When you compare the before and after, the difference is clear. Small adjustments really do make a big impact on the final result. My top tip: go with a sheer color. It instantly softens the overall look and is super beginner friendly because it forgives little mistakes. Remember, making your nails look chic isn't about complicated tricks, just small tweaks and going back to the basics. Give these tips a try in your next DIY session and enjoy your very own pro finish at home. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.